Hello dear employer, my name is Ivy Rose Leteo, 29 years of age. I'm currently here in Ligaya, Sablayan Occidental, Mindoro. I already finished my secondary level and my vocational course is Bachelor of Technical Teacher Education, major in ICT. I worked before as a helper for 3 years here in Philippines and one employer. I took their kid, 3 years old girl, and I love playing and taking care of her. I do marketing, washing, cooking, ironing clothes, and other household chores. I am accepting any work you want me to do, and I am trustworthy, patient, and hardworking. After I work as a helper, I finished my contract as a factory worker for 4 years, and as of now, I'm a full-time mom and I have mini store. I hope and I pray that you hire me as your helper, and I am eager to learn new skills and gain more experience. Thank you and God bless.